How did AI models suddenly get so good at math and coding in 2026? A big part of the answer is a training method called RLVR, short for Reinforcement Learning from Verifiable Rewards. In this video we will break it down in plain English. We will cover what it is, why it replaced expensive human feedback for many tasks, how the training loop actually works, where it shines, and the tools you can use to try it yourself. Let us start with the basics. Reinforcement learning means a model learns by trial and error. It tries something, gets a score called a reward, and slowly adjusts to earn higher scores. The twist in RLVR is the word verifiable. Instead of a human or another model guessing how good an answer is, we use a check that can be confirmed automatically. If the answer is right, reward equals 1. If it is wrong, reward equals 0. Simple and objective. To see why this matters, look at the older approach. RLHF, Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback, needs people to rank model answers. That is slow, costs a lot of money, and humans disagree with each other. Teams also train a separate reward model to imitate those human preferences, and that reward model can be fooled or gamed. RLVR skips all of that wherever the correctness of an answer can be checked by a machine. So what does verifiable actually mean? It means there is a ground truth you can test against in code. For a math problem, you check if the final number matches the known answer. For a coding task, you run the unit tests and see if they pass. For a formatting task, you check if the output is valid JSON. In every case, a small program decides reward, not a human and not a neural network. Now the training loop. Step 1, give the model a prompt, like a math question. Step 2, let it generate several different answers, often with its full chain of thought reasoning. Step 3, run each answer through the verifier to get a reward of 1 or 0. Step 4, use an algorithm to push the model toward the reasoning paths that earned a reward, and away from the ones that failed. Repeat millions of times. A key detail is that the reward is usually based only on the final result, not on each step of the reasoning. This is powerful. The model is free to explore long, messy chains of thought, and as long as it lands on the correct answer, that whole path gets reinforced. Over time the model discovers its own effective reasoning strategies, including checking its work and backtracking, without anyone handwriting those steps. The algorithm that does the pushing is often GRPO, Group Relative Policy Optimization, or a close cousin. The idea is simple to picture. The model generates a group of answers to the same question, the verifier scores them, and answers that beat the group average get encouraged while below average ones get discouraged. Because the verifier is cheap and automatic, you can run this at a massive scale without a human in the loop. Where did this prove itself? The most famous example is the DeepSeek R1 model in 2025, which used verifiable rewards on math and code to reach reasoning ability that rivaled far larger systems. Today most strong reasoning models, the ones that pause and think before answering, lean heavily on RLVR. It works best in domains with clear right answers, math, programming, logic puzzles, and structured data extraction. Want to try it? The most popular open-source library is TRL from Hugging Face, which has a ready-made GRPO trainer. For very large-scale runs, teams reach for VRL or OpenRLHF, which are built to spread training across many GPUs. You write a reward function, basically a small Python function that returns 1 or 0, plug it in, point it at your prompts, and the library handles the reinforcement learning machinery. But RLVR is not magic. Its biggest limit is right there in the name. It only works when you can verify the answer automatically. Open-ended tasks like writing a friendly email, giving advice, or judging tone have no single correct answer, so you still need human feedback or an AI judge there. There is also reward hacking, where a model finds a loophole that passes the check without truly solving the task. Good verifiers matter. Let us recap. RLVR trains models using automatic, checkable rewards instead of expensive human ratings. It powers the reasoning boom in math and coding, runs at huge scale because the verifier is just code, and uses algorithms like GRPO to reinforce winning reasoning paths. Remember its limit, it needs a clear, machine-checkable answer. If this made RLVR click for you, follow for more plain English AI breakdowns, and tell me in the comments what topic I should cover next.